Diba? Changi! Let's eat!
Chingo! Ito, tukutin natin. 1, 2, 3, go! Tada!
Welcome back sa ating Josie's Kitchen! Naku, another exciting episode po ang magaganap ngayong araw. Pero bago yan, kumusta naman po kayo dyan? Don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel na Love Josie at iba pa nating social media platforms na Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram account na Love Josie. Ang ating ihahain ngayong araw, ituturo sa inyo ay ituturo po ng isang napakabait kong kaibigan dito sa Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, si Miss Ruby, Chingo Ruby, come here!
Annyeonghaseyo!
Ano nga bang pangalan ng dish na ito?
We are cooking for today, Bibimbap!
Ayun, natensa ko, hindi naman Bisaya, Ilocano, Ilonggo. So, ready na ba kayo kasi si Mami Josie? Ready na!
Magsimula, alamin muna natin kung ano ang meaning ng bibimbap. So, we are cooking bibimbap for today. Bibim means mix and bap means rice. Literally and basically, it's mixed rice. So, handa na ba kayo? Simulan na natin! So, let's start by marinating our beef and we're gonna start with our soy sauce. Kailangan natin ng 1/8 cup of light soy sauce. Next ay ang ating sesame oil. So we're gonna use 1 tablespoon. And for our garlic, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon. Alam niyo naman ang garlic, the more the tastier. So let's have 1 tablespoon on our marinade. Tapos magdadagdag tayo ng 1/2 tablespoon ng onion. Optional lang po ito, but I want mine with a hint of onion, so you can add this. And to add more flavor, magdadagdag din tayo ng 1/4 teaspoon of grated ginger. Ayan. And to add more sweetness, mag-add tayo ng 1/8 cup of honey. A pinch of salt to taste. And last but not the least, let's add roasted sesame seeds, 1/2 tablespoon. And paalala lamang po, much better po ang roasted sesame seeds to add more flavor and the Korean scent. Ayan. So there you go, imimix na natin siya to incorporate all of the flavors ng ating bulgogi marinade. So, there you go. Let's set it aside for 15 minutes before natin i-fry sa ating pan. And our next step for our vegetables, we're gonna do a technique called blanching. So, kumukulo na ating tubig. And we're now ready to put our spinach. Ayan. So, blanching is actually just like a light cooking para lang maluto siya ng kaunti before natin siya ilagay sa ating ice bath.
A few moments later.
Ayan, so it's ready. We can now put it in our ice bath. Ayan, so let's put it on our ice bath para tumigil ang kanyang pagluto at hindi siya ma-overcook. At para sa ating bean sprouts, lalagyan natin siya ng kaunting chicken seasoning for more flavor. Let it cook for approximately 20 seconds. And then, hahanguin na natin siya.
A few moments later.
Ayun, 20 seconds over. So, we're gonna take it out of the hot water. After blanching our bean sprouts and spinach, so lalagyan muna natin siya ng cooking seasoning such as our sesame oil. And sprinkle lang natin siya ng kaunting sesame seeds. These are called banchans, or like appetizer side dishes in Korea. And for our bean sprouts as well, drizzle some sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds. Ayan, mix mo lang siya all together. At para sa carrots naman, i-light stir fry lang natin siya. Then, just add some salt to taste. At para sa ating last veggie, saute lang natin very light ang ating mushroom. So, gamitin natin ating natitirang garlic. And let's add our mushrooms. So, don't worry about it na masyadong malaki yung slices kasi mag-wilt din siya later on. Alam niyo naman, mushroom, maraming tubig. So, let it sit there for a minute. And ang last natin is stir fry ang ating marinate na bulgogi flavored meat. So, yan. Put in all the juices kasi nandyan lahat ng flavor. Put it on high heat kasi para maluto ang ating beef.
A few moments later.
Ayan, so malapit na siyang maluto. In the next 30 seconds, tatanggalin na natin siya from the heat and set it aside. So, we have here 2.5 cups of rice, depending on your bowl kung ilan din yung kakain. But for us, that should be enough. So, let's start with our bean sprouts. So, next, our spinach. Ayan, next, we have our mushrooms naman. So kung napapansin ninyo, napaka-colorful ng ating bibimbap. Ayan. So, next, our carrots. Let's go for team orange naman. And let's go again for the green. So, we have here cucumber for a little bit of crunch on top of our fresh ingredients. And, idagdag na rin natin ang ating thinly sliced scrambled egg. Ayan. This is actually optional, guys. And last but not the least, ang star natin sa ating bibimbap, ang ating bulgogi meat. And the last step before we do the bibim or the mix is to sprinkle roasted sesame seeds. And the last color that we will add here is our Korean red pepper paste or gochujang. And it's ready! Here's my version of bibimbap or Korean mixed rice. Oh ma! Pabukja! Let's eat!
Ruby's version of bibimbap. Tan 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 tan. Mash it lang.
Perfect! Perfect pronunciation. Kamsahamnida. Thank you!
Panalo po, and I hope na check na naman ang ating goal for today's session. Again, don't forget to click like and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel na Love Josie and other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram account na Love Josie. And again, maraming salamat for spending your time sa Josie's Kitchen. So, bye everyone and see you next session!
Annyeong!
Annyeong!